The whole goal is to get the kids away from video games. Basically, it's built around the tree limbs. It's all intertwined. There's an access through here from the bottom through a hatch, and the main access is on the side using a ladder. Here we have the shipping bell. It's a real boat wheel actually that I had specially ordered. All the windows are openable. We're hoping that Mr. John Tory, the mayor, will actually follow the example of the mayor of Ajax, where a family was being forced to take down a skating rink, and the mayor intervened and told the licensing office, guys, you know, let them keep this because, you know, the kids are more important than complainers.